Hey everyone, we're here with the brand new E-Flite Twin Otter 1.2 m BNF, and this is the unboxing quick take. So if you don't want to watch the entire video, the full one, you can watch the quick take instead. So, alright, so what comes in the box? Well, we have the fuselage, mostly fully assembled. Receiver is installed if you have the BNF version. The rudder and elevator servo are installed. We have some plywood reinforcement area here that comes from the factory as well. I'll pop the canopy hatch off here for the battery. We got a plywood base in here with a Velcro strap and push rod leading to the front wheel. Otherwise, no landing gear are installed yet, and this is all you get for the fuselage. Horizontal stabilizer is a single piece that's already pre-assembled. It's got a plastic connector here in the center joining both halves together. Looks like it'd be a real easy installation to get that put in. Looks like about 4 screws and that's done. Here's the fully assembled wing straight out of the box. As you see, we got color-coded prop adapters here. Very important because they are counter-rotating props, and I assume these are counter-threaded prop adapters. So you got to make sure your red nut goes with the red, green nut goes with the green, then you're all set. Pre-installed lights are here, navigation lights, landing lights. Flaps are installed from the factory. As you can see, all control horns are already hooked up on the wing. You have the power lead here for the pre-installed speed controller, as well as all your wires that need to be plugged into the receiver. Okay. Also, one of the cool features about this airplane is it includes floats directly from the factory. No need to go buy these separately. The Twin Otter comes with floats and also has a rudder already pre-installed. It also includes a push rod that comes with the kit to go ahead and connect these so that you can actually steer the aircraft. Lots of little odds and ends here that you get. We won't go through all of them. You got counter-rotating props that are already pre-painted black and white. They're black and white on the front, all white on the back, so you know which direction they go. And with the black and white on there, you'll be able to tell which way they are spinning or when they are spinning. You also have the spinners pre-painted or injection molded in blue. If I didn't mention it before, the paint quality in this aircraft is absolutely incredible. This is one of the most beautiful factory finishes I've seen on a civilian plane. It is very glossy compared to some of the other ones that I've seen. Wing struts, very sturdy wing struts here, plastic. We have 2 fins for the horizontal stabilizer. These help on the water with yaw control. Pretty common to see these on the actual full-size aircraft, both the Twin Otter and the Beaver. And then you just got a lot of miscellaneous odds and ends here, little plastic bits. You got some main wheel parts here, little plastic parts. A lot more little pieces to assemble on this than what you're normally probably used to from an E-Flite plane, but nothing that looks too complicated at all. And remember, this does include floats, so you are going to have some pieces that are going to be float dependent, and you don't need to install them if you're putting on the landing gear. All right, nose wheel, very, very stout and sturdy here. We got the flats already put, or the flat put on it already here for the steering to keep that from rotating. We also have the main landing gear, very sturdy as well, very thick steel, but yet it's still got some spring to it, which is going to be fantastic if you're going to be operating this aircraft off of grass. Also some pretty stiff tires as well. So no big surprise here. These should be real easy to install in the aircraft. And then you also have a single thumb screw that attaches the wing to the fuselage. So once you have it assembled, for field assembly, it's simply going to be a single screw here. So that's going to be awesome if you don't want to have to carry a lot of tools to your flying field all the time. Then you have a number of pieces here. I'm not going to go through all of them, but you got a lot of little metal wires here that are specific to just the floats itself. For the assembly, we are going to build this in the landing gear configuration rather than the floats, because it will probably have more time on landing gear than on floats. So that's it for the quick take on the unboxing of the E-Flite Twin Otter. And of course, don't forget this. The manual. Make sure you read this before you start assembly. That's why I had it off to the side, because I've already started the reading process. So, if you've got any questions, leave them in the comments below. And that wraps up the quick take on the unboxing of the E-Flite Twin Otter.